Hello. Speed bumps. Just a big piece of rope. It works. Okay, ladies, where are we going?
Beach.
Who do you follow?
Two traveling lovers.
How do you follow them?
Closely.
No, this is not what we talked about. You like this beach? Okay, she's taking a picture of the sloth. I love it because there's lots of shade. Here is an almond from the almond tree. The reason the sloth is up in the tree is they eat these. Now we eat the middle, the nut, but I just tasted the outside and it's pretty much like a bitter apple is what it tastes like. Okay. All right, so we just finished. Donation to the park. That's all it is.
And when they're doing that howling, their mouth is like a big O. Is he throwing stuff at us?
I don't know, but those will hurt if they hit you. Oh, there's a monkey.
Ah! That's why it's all falling.
There's no such thing as safety in the jungle. That's hanging on by a root, that big branch, and Katie is swinging right underneath it. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now that's an anthill. Yeah. Oh, this sucks, huh?
Come on, let me get on your back.
Hey, come on, don't fall. Watch out for the crocodile. You guys don't speak.
Oil well, exploratory oil well.
Yeah.
1910. And it does have kind of a pretty scent.
Yeah, it smells like almost oil,
Yeah.
or gas.
I wonder if they found oil here.
Holy mosquito bites. Bam, bam, bam,
Okay.
bam,
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's
bam, bam.
Look at him move.
He's a hermit crab.
He's pretty.
Cahuita Beach National Park. It's cool, they have picnic tables all the way along, so at least you get to, again, sit in the shade. Cahuita National Park, awesome. Best one we've been to. We've been in Costa Rica for almost a month, done a ton of jungle hikes, done a ton of national parks. Nothing even comes close to this one. First off, your whole hike is along the ocean, which is beautiful, and it's so unique in regards to the shoreline with all the driftwood. I haven't seen many ocean shorelines like this, you know, in our travels over the years. And so that's one bonus. Another thing is the amount of wildlife compared to the other national parks was just crazy. So many monkeys, crabs, raccoons, sloths, everything you want to see is here. I'm going to give you one huge tip. If you're staying in Cahuita, make sure you get a drive or take a taxi to the other end of the park, get dropped off, and then walk one way back to Cahuita. If you don't do that, if you start in Cahuita, you've got a 5-mile hike in, and you get to the end and you've got to take a 5-mile hike back. So just beware of that. Mosquitoes. We really haven't seen many mosquitoes since we've been here. Haven't had any issues. Here, as you saw on Katie's back, tons of mosquitoes. Make sure you get your off ready, bring it with you, bring lots of water, bring lots of food. So there's our wrap up. Also follow us, Two Traveling Lovers. Click that subscribe button on the bottom left, and we really appreciate it.